Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been gaining a lot of attention lately, intermittent fasting. Specifically, I'm going to guide you through a simple 7-day beginner's plan that can help you lose weight and boost your energy levels. So, let's get started. What exactly is intermittent fasting? It's not a diet, but rather an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. One of the most popular methods is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, you don't consume any calories, but you can have water, black coffee, or tea. The idea is to give your body a break from constant eating, so it can focus on other processes, like burning fat for energy. Intermittent fasting can help with weight loss, improve metabolism, and even boost your energy levels. But I know starting something new can be challenging, so I'm here to make it easy for you with a step-by-step 7-day plan. Let's break it down day by day. Day 1 and 2 are all about easing into the fasting schedule. If you choose the 16-8 method, you might start your eating window at 12 p.m. and end at 8 p.m. During your fasting period, stick to water, black coffee, or tea. For breakfast, which you'll have around 12 p.m., try something like a smoothie bowl with plenty of fruits and a bit of protein. For dinner, keep it balanced with lean protein, vegetables, and whole grains. By day 3 and 4, your body is starting to adjust. You might feel hungry at first, but drinking plenty of water helps. You can also try light exercise like walking or yoga to keep your energy up. If you're struggling with cravings, try drinking herbal tea or chewing sugar-free gum. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and not push too hard. Day 5 and 6 are about overcoming common challenges. Social events can be tricky, but you can navigate them by planning your fasting schedule around the event or choosing healthy options while you're out. Also, keep nutritious snacks on hand, like nuts or fruit, for when your eating window opens. Staying prepared helps you stay on track. Day 7 is Reflection Day. How do you feel? Have you noticed any changes in your energy or weight? Journaling your experience can be really helpful in understanding what works for you. Going forward, you can adjust your fasting schedule to fit your lifestyle. The goal is to make it sustainable. Now, let's talk about what to eat. During your eating window, focus on nutrient-dense foods. For example, a typical meal could be a quinoa salad with lots of veggies, some grilled chicken, and a light vinaigrette. For snacks, think apple slices with almond butter, or Greek yogurt with a handful of berries. The key is to fuel your body with balanced, wholesome foods. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to ensure your success with intermittent fasting. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 2. Be patient. It might take a few days for your body to adjust. 3. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or extremely tired, break your fast and eat something. 4. Stay busy. Keeping your mind occupied can help distract from hunger. And there you have it, a simple 7-day guide to starting intermittent fasting. Remember, the goal is to find a routine that works for you and makes you feel good. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness content. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on healthy eating and fitness. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.